Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to my channel Aptitude Club. Today in this video we are going to take up this question on direct inverse variation, and this was a previous CAT question, a very good and tricky question from the topic variations. And before we begin the explanation, I would request all of you to pause at this moment, try the question yourself first and then look at the explanation. I'll talk more about the videos and about the channel towards the end of the video. So let us get started. It is given that the speed of the railway engine is 42 kilometers per hour when no compartment is attached. So let us say I'll take S, okay, or S is equal to S0, means no compartments are attached, initial speed of the engine, and that is given as 42 kilometers per hour. Now the common sense tells us that once the compartments start getting attached, the engine has to carry more load, and that is why the speed will reduce. Normally we can make sense of it in this way, and it is said that the reduction in speed the reduction in speed is directly proportional to the square root of the number of compartments attached. So I can say reduction is directly proportional to n, where n is the number of compartments attached. Now this is very important to read the question carefully. The reduction in speed. Now what do you mean by reduction? There was some speed earlier, now the speed has reduced and became something else. The difference itself is the reduction. Let us say the speed was 40 earlier, now the speed has become 30, so the reduction is 40 minus 30. So initial speed was s0, let us say Sn is the new speed with n compartments. Okay, let's say Sn is the new speed with n compartments. So the reduction, I can write it as initial speed S0 minus Sn. As per the question, S0 minus Sn is k times square root of n, where k is your proportionality constant because it's a direct variation. This is my equation. I hope everyone makes sense of this equation and how we arrived at this result. Just read the question very carefully. It is extremely crucial to read the question properly in the exam. Now once you have this result, then let's use this and calculate what is asked. So we have S0 minus Sn is k times square root of n, where S0 is already given as 42 minus Sn is k times excuse me. Now it is said that the speed of the train is 24 when there are 9 compartments are attached. So given when n number of compartments attached is 9, Sn becomes 24. Now if I substitute this here, I'll get 42 minus 24 is k times square root of 9. So 42 minus 24 is 18, is k times 3, which gives k is equal to 6. Once I get k equal to 6, let me rewrite the equation again. That S0 is 42 minus Sn. In place of k, I can write 6. This becomes my final equation. I figured out what is k. Now what is the question asking? Find the maximum number of compartments that can be carried by the engine. Now this sentence itself is a little tricky, because if I talk about maximum number of compartments, I can attach as many compartments as I want, but maybe the train will not move any longer. So you can attach 100 compartments, 1000 compartments, the train has to move, or else there is no point in attaching compartments. So the like a hidden meaning of this sentence is how many maximum number of compartments you can attach so that the train at least moves. Although it has not been written in the question, but the meaning is that the train at least moves. Now if I look at this equation and take a look at the options also, it's somewhere in 40s and 60s. Okay. Now if the train at least moves, Think about this from options. If I put n is equal to 49, then what happens? 42 minus Sn is equal to 6 times square root of 49, because option is telling about the number of compartments maximum that you can attach. So it's talking about the value of n. 6 times square root of 49. This implies 42 minus Sn 6 times 7, which makes Sn is equal to 0. That means if when you attach 49 compartments, speed becomes exactly 0. So there is no point in attaching more than 49 compartments, because the moment you attach 49, the speed is already 0. So why would I go ahead and attach 50 or 60 or more than that? Any value more than 50 or 49, that can't be my answer. So 64, 63 clearly rejected. A lot of people will go with 49, but the 49 cannot be your answer also, because 49 means the train is not moving. As I said, what is the maximum number of compartments so that the train at least moves? So we are seeing that in 49 the speed is exactly 0, hence n maximum, the number of compartments, should be 1 less. So 49 minus 1, 48. This is the tricky part of the question, because if you attach 49 the speed becomes 0, the train doesn't move, so you'll have to attach 1 less. Now no matter what the speed is, the train at least moves, and that is the maximum number of compartments that you can attach, hence the answer is 48. This was a previous CAT question only from variation, and I hope all of you understood the logic of this. The train at least moves. That part is not written explicitly in the question, but we can aim for that. Okay. Beautiful question, indirect inverse variation, and I hope all of you understood the explanation of it. If you are new to my channel and you have watched it this far, do subscribe to the Aptitude Club channel and share it with your friends also who are preparing for CAT exam. This is the QA Booster playlist. If you have missed the previous videos, I'll pin it in the I section and also in the description of the video. Go to my channel and visit and watch the other videos. Okay, you will definitely find a lot of useful content. I keep posting videos regularly which will help you on your CAT preparation journey. So stay tuned and we'll meet again very soon in yet another video. Till then, keep solving, keep studying. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.